Hey guys, what is up? My name is Brittany Lewis and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's so nice to meet you and I really hope you stick around and watch some more of my content, which may or may not interest you, but I really hope it does. So today is an exciting video for me because I've always kind of wanted to do this like tag or whatever you call it, but I never had tattoos, so I couldn't. I've always wanted to do like a tattoos and piercings video, so I'm super excited that I get to do that with y'all. It is freezing outside, which I don't understand because I live in Central Florida and this makes no sense, but I swear it's been in the 30s, 40s, and like low 50s all day. So I've pretty bundled up and I just don't want to take it off now because it's so comfy. So yeah, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a jacket indoors, it's because I'm Floridian and I can't handle the cold. Let's just get into the video. I don't want to keep rambling on and on and on or whatever. So yeah, let's do the swishy thing that most YouTubers do. Into the video. Okay, so I'm not saying like I'm an expert in piercings or tattoos. I don't even have a lot of like either of them, but I have gotten questions about it before and just some tips for y'all and some things about how I picked out my tattoos and why I chose certain piercings or whatever, and I'll tell you guys about it now. Okay, so I guess just to start off with the tattoos, because I feel like when I was on YouTube searching for this stuff, I usually looked up tattoos because I wanted to find like ideas and like placement ideas. So mine are pretty simple. They're on both my arms. The first one that I ever got, I went to this place in Orlando. His name's Ruben. He's really, really awesome. He still follows me on Instagram. It's literally wished me happy birthday like a month ago. So that's really awesome. So this is my first tattoo. It's a little rose. I hope it's in focus really good. Yeah, so it's a little rose and I don't know if you can tell. So what happened is I didn't like copy and paste anything off of Google because I didn't want to just find like a clip art of a rose. Like I wanted it to be kind of like mine, you know? So what I did was I don't know if you can see the bud. It's kind of like a John Boy rose bud. Like that's what it's based off of. I'll put a clip of it right here. He's a really awesome tattoo artist in New York and I've always wanted to go to him. I love his minimalistic tattoos. So yeah, that's out of the way. And then I just found a stem that I liked on another picture and then we like photoshopped it together and then I shrunk down like certain things and like proportioned the leaves smaller, like the rosebud bigger, like certain things like that, and that's what I ended up with. And I knew I wanted to get the other tattoo that I got, that I'm showing you in a second, like for a while, but I didn't know I wanted a rose tattoo until like I think a couple of days before I went to my appointment, which sounds kind of crazy, but I really don't regret it at all. It just kind of came together for me like in a really important meaning. Like it kind of just all clicked. A lot of times what I will do, looking at images and stuff like that, or like images, sometimes I'll be just like scrolling, I'll see someone else's tattoo, or I'll see an image or like a picture of something that really like speaks to me, and usually it's like I'll just know that I need it like on me, like that I love it, and then I'll like figure out what it means to me, because that's why I'm drawn to the image in the first place, because it has meaning to me somewhere in there. I just have to like figure it out. And for me, the rose is like, I've never had a boyfriend, I'm still a virgin. Sorry if that's weird, like I'm 20 years old, 20-year-old virgin, it's fine, I don't give a f. You can make fun of me if you want to, but I'm saving this for someone special, whatever, it's cheesy, I don't care. That's just like, you know, like your body's your body, have sex, don't have sex, it's your choice, and this is my choice for now, because I haven't met someone like that I'm in love with yet, and so that's what I want to do. I'm a romantic. So a lot of the times I feel like society will sometimes like makes girls feel very like unworthy if they don't have a boyfriend to take cute pictures with, or like weird because all their friends have like boyfriends and like left out. And so this has been like kind of a theme in my life, and recently I've come to like love myself a lot more in the past couple of years. Like in high school it was really hard for me, middle school was really rough. And so, yeah, I have anxiety and depression, and so sometimes I don't like myself that much, and sometimes it is really hard to deal with me, like I would say that, because, you know, just all these thoughts, and like, sometimes I can be really hard on myself. So I got this rose tattoo because in my mind, a rose is a really romantic gesture usually, like a boyfriend, or like typically a boyfriend or a husband will give his wife, girlfriend, whatever, a significant other would give, you know, the other significant other a rose, you know, or a bouquet of roses, usually a bouquet, but I just got a rose, you know, I don't want a bouquet on my wrist. Anyway, and that's like a symbol of romance and a symbol of love. And so to me, this was like giving myself like a forever permanent rose on my body to remind myself to love myself. And so whenever I look at it, you know, it's like, you know, I'm loved by me, my family, and God loves me, and, you know, that just, like, I don't know, just, this symbolizes love for me, and so that's why I got it. My other tattoo is this little, like, it's really little. I don't like it because when I turn it like this, it twists with my body, and it's not actually, like, crooked or anything, but it's a little star. I've just loved stars forever. Like, when I was younger, my favorite movie was Peter Pan, and second star to the right, like, straight on till morning, you know? Whatever, like, first star to the right, straight on till morning, you know, that was, like, a big thing. I always wanted to go to Neverland. I never wanted to grow up. I'm still such a kid. I still love Disney World. I'm just, like, a child at heart. I mean, stars are just really big to me. Also, my old house I used to live in before this one, it was like Texas style, which is really funny, like very cowboy style, which does not fit me or my mom's style. But we owned horses, and so I rode horses as a kid, and our house, like, just the way it came was very, like, thematic. Like, it definitely had a theme, and that was Texas. And so they had Texas stars literally all over the house. Like, if we'd counted them, there must have been 50 or 100. Like, I'm not even joking. It was like subliminal messaging through stars, so I think that's kind of the reason I'm obsessed with them now. And then also the jewelry is really popular now, but it's not just like a trend I bent into. Like, it's always been like an important symbol to me. It reminds me of Disney World, my childhood, just like wishing upon a star. That's another thing. So yeah, I just love it, and it's really cute, and it's small, and it's little. The reason I chose the placement for these was if I'm shaking someone's hand, you know, if I don't get any more tattoos, you can't see it, like, both sides, you know, and if I'm working in, like, a business or whatever, I just, you know, I'll wear a jacket, so I just thought that it would be fine. But I feel like in my life I'm going to be, like, a freelancer, or I'm not going to work in, like, an office, so I don't really think it's going to be a huge problem for me. But yeah. Okay, next is my piercings. I don't have any, like, secret piercings that you cannot see right now, I swear. Those, like, scare me too much, so props to you guys if you do that. But okay, so the first one is gonna be the most obvious one. It's my nose ring. So, okay, it's not looking too cute right now. I got, like, it basically just reached the stage where I could change out the piercing, and I changed it into a little gold hoop, because I love the look of a little gold hoop. I feel like it's really minimalistic, it's not very noticeable, but I still think it's really cute, and I just love it, and I feel kind of like granola or like a hippie a little bit, like low-key. So I just like it, I think it's cute. I think it's cool because I can take it out whenever I want to, like, it's not a big deal. If I'm like, oh hey, I don't want a nose ring anymore, take it out of my nose. You know, you can't really do that with tattoos, but you can do that with piercings, so I like that. Over on this ear, I don't know if y'all can see, okay. Over on this ear, I have 2 Helix piercings. Most people just call them cartilage piercings. I got them right here. I got these done at the same time. They're my first piercings that weren't, like, no. I remember I was so excited to get these. Like, I begged my mom, and me and my sister got them done together, and it was just so exciting, but holy shit, those hurt like a oh my god. I, like, could not sleep on my side for, like, weeks. I don't know, some people it doesn't bother them at all, but after I got these, I was in a lot of pain, but, like, it was worth it, and, like, it did take a while for them to heal. Like, I constantly had keloids, which is, like, that little bump right there. Constantly had keloids, but now they're perfectly fine. Like, a couple years later, no problems whatsoever. I don't even know if I'm ever gonna get another cartilage piercing besides, like, this one, because of how much of pain they are with, like, keloids and stuff, but yeah. And then I also have 1, 2, 3 piercings up my lobe. I got the third one with my friend and my sister. The double ones, I thought I was so edgy when I got them. Oh my god, I think I was in, like, middle school. I can't remember. I think I was, like, I really feel like I was 12 or 13 years old, and I got them done with, like, my best friend at the time, and I remember just, like, I thought I was, like, so cool. Like, I was like, heck yeah, like, I have 4 piercings now, you know what I mean? Like, 1, 2. It was, like, a slight variant, you know? Like, everyone else, they had, like, the one here, like, the basic lobes, and I was like, yeah, but I'm, like, a little extra. I've always been extra, even as a 12-year-old, so. And then on this side, I only have this one and this one. I think it's really funny. I actually did have 3. You can see the 2. I had 3 before, but it fell out during the healing process, and I just didn't, like, care enough to go get it redone. So I have 2 on this side, and, like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. It was 6 because I had this little thing right here. It's called a Tragus. I had my tragus pierced, but then, oh my god, that thing was the biggest pain in the ass, okay? I just don't recommend it. Like, it's a pain in the ass for earbuds, for headphones. You can't like clean out your ear with like a Q-tip well, and the bump like swells up a lot. It like just blocks stuff. Like you feel like there's something in your ear kind of like all the time. Like, I don't know, it was cute, but like just for me, I was like, nah. So when I got my nose pierced, I was like, I don't need this one anymore, because this one, it kind of felt like I kind of had like a tiny facial piercing. So when I actually got one, I was just like, I don't need it anymore. Like, I don't want to deal with that shit anymore. So I was just like, I just took it out. I literally took it out so quick. I was like, thank God. And you can still see the little red dot, I feel like, maybe. So pain scales for these. Okay, so honestly, I don't think tattoos hurt like at all. Like, I think tattoos are one of the least painful things you can do. It feels like a very weird massage. Like, you know those, and then also like another comparison, like, you know those little gum packs that were fake in like elementary school, and like the kids would have them, you pull it and it'd zap you? It just kind of feels like a constant like tiny zap moving up and down like your arm. Like, this one got pretty irritated because of the detail in it, how it's closer together. This one was so simple, but once this part of the skin is so sensitive, like different parts of your body are so sensitive versus the other. When he first tapped down onto this, I literally felt like someone was like slitting my wrist. Like, it hurt so bad. Like, if I was like, oh my god, like, is there blood? And I look over and there's like, it's totally fine. But yeah, that one hurt worse, but it was quick. It was done quick. Like, this took like 5 minutes. This took like 15 or 20 minutes, and yeah. Piercing pain, lobe piercings, they don't hurt at all. Tragus is about, it's like thicker, but it's about equal with the cartilage piercing, so I really don't worry about it. Yeah. If you guys are worried about the pain though, it's totally worth it, because you're gonna have that, you know, for the rest of your life, for a long period of your life at least. So just ignore the pain, get through it, just go for it. Also, you can feel like a hard ass. You're like, that's right, I got my face pierced. Oh wait, oh my god, I forgot. This hurt the most. Nose piercing hurt the most because it was like all this like stuff was rushing to my face, and like my eyes were watering, and it was just like, oh, it hurt so bad. But it was worth it. I think it's really cute. I think it looks good on me. I think it suits me. So yeah, so that is all of my tattoos and piercings. Not a lot, not really cool, but if I ever get any more, I can just update it, y'all, on it. And I love watching these videos because I like getting ideas and like whatever, and also convincing my mom, like, hey mom, like when I was younger, I'd be like, hey mom, look, this 15-year-old has like her cartilage pierced, can I get it? Look how cute it is. That's literally the shit I would pull. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video at all, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I'd really appreciate all of those things. I'm trying to post once again, you know, once a week, and I'm getting really into this, and I'm so excited for this new year, new me. So yeah, I'm excited.